Hello Savages, what is going on? Welcome back to Plant Geezer Coaching Off the Cuff. Now in 2026, the myth of protein and vegans and plant-based diets are still well in the system. This is my quick high protein breakfast. Now oats are popular with non-vegans as well. Oats is probably the most commonly eaten thing, I'd say, especially in the gym community and the fitness world and things like that. Now for people who want to give up the piglet, these are the bad boys. I've weighed out 70 gram of oats, and instead of boiling them in water or in milk, and I want to chuck my protein in the soy milk. We've got 400 gram of soy milk, we've got a scoop of protein powder. I'm going to put some peanut butter powder in, which I've recently started using. Less calories than peanut butter, same flavour, more protein. That's going to go in the kitty, and I'm also going to put some soy crispies in as well. So you've got the bueno powder, 30 gram of protein, 2 scoops of peanut butter powder. Now these are things I didn't usually used to buy. I never used to buy things like peanut butter powder and soy crispies and all these little add-ons, but they're just so worth it. I'm going to get 60 gram of protein out of this breakfast compared to usually, what, 15 gram? So these little add-ons, they're worth it, especially when you're cutting. Obviously you want to keep muscle, keep the protein high, and we're trying to keep the calories low. It's quite difficult to do if you don't know what you're doing. So these little tricks and tips, such as peanut butter powder, soy crispies, things like that, soy milk instead of water, they all add up and they all equal more protein for less calories, more bang for your buck. Anyway, give that a shake. We're going to turn that up. We're going to pour it over the oats like that, and just wait till it thickens up. Give it a stir. I wonder why oats haven't got a feminine link like soy, because if they were like soy oats, I don't even know what they would be. Just soy flakes in a bowl. You'd be like, you're feminine, you're this or that, you're weak. Oats get away with it, man, and do you know why? Because fitness related people and gym related people, they know oats is the killer, man. They know it's a superfood. But if it was high protein like soy, they'd be like, oh no, you can't have that, you need chicken, you need beef. But oats pass the test for some reason, so this is why it's accepted among the other side. Mad, absolutely mad. Now we got the soya protein Cocoa Krispies, and I know what you're thinking, why are you putting Cocoa Krispies in oats? And you're right, because it is a bit weird, but it doesn't matter because 60 gram of protein. So 2 like that, chocolatey, they will soften up. So give it a stir. So there we have it, protein oats, manganese, magnesium, iron, zinc, and also lots of protein when you add soy crispies and bueno protein powder to the mixer. Absolutely beautiful. Now one could even add maple syrup to that and make it a little bit sweeter, but I'm going to be good because it's only Tuesday. But yeah, simple protein oats for the brekkie, 60 gram of protein. Don't be a wetter, make your physique better with Plant Geezer Coaching. Get the oats in ya, you are not the one true savage.